This is gonna be fun, and it's all because my Twitch stream looks like this. Again. Crazy what happens when you don't get to stream for a solid year. But though that may be the case, I do enjoy gaming and being goofy and talking to myself. So I may as well set myself up with a cool stream for when time allows it by upping the ante with murder. Mysteries. Murder mysteries. On Twitch. I'd kind of dabbled in this idea before, but I wasn't as good at Python at the time, and AI was nowhere near as far along as it is now, so time to put that old project in the trash, start over, and make it for real. First off, don't panic. I'm gonna explain this in a way anyone can understand, and it's actually really cool. So, here's how it works. Whenever anyone types !mystery in the chat, we fetch a new mystery with OpenAI, which is ChatGPT's API. We give it super specific instructions on how to generate the mystery and what we expect back. We process all that so we can show the mystery in sections, so it starts off with the background and the lead up, the murder, the suspects, the clues, and so on. Then the viewers can guess who they think did it in a poll, and after a minute, we do the big reveal. And that's it. All this stuff's working. Let's solve a mystery. And with that, we can generate infinite murder mysteries with AI.
Mucho hypo. Alright, let's see what the mystery is. I want to solve it.
So, as the next mystery generates, only one question remains. Can you solve it? So that's how it all works. Thanks to AI, we get to have infinite murder mysteries in Twitch. But since we're doing all this AI stuff, we may as well go all in. And to say you're in for a treat is a comical understatement.
Fetching a new mystery, backstory in the idyllic town of Ravenbrook. World-renowned archaeologist Professor Maximilian Porter has just returned from his latest expedition, bringing a priceless artifact known as the Serpent's Eye, a jewel said to be cursed. He plans to showcase it on his manor's 50th anniversary, inviting numerous guests, including his direct family and some associates from his archaeological pursuits. During the 50th anniversary party, the lights suddenly go out when they are restored. Professor Porter is found dead in his private study. The serpent's eye missing. His cause of death is quickly determined to be poison. Suspects: one Ella Porter, the estranged wife who still lives in the manor. Two Marcus Porter, their ambitious son who's always seemed dissatisfied with his father's strict control over the family wealth. Three Louisa Graham, Professor Porter's faithful assistant and protege whose devotion to the professor was unquestionable. Four Arthur Harrison, a rival archaeologist who publicly threatened Professor Porter over the possession of the Serpent's Eye. Five those mysterious guests who no one seems to recognize from the party. Clue phase. After the initial investigation, several key clues are found. One empty vial of poison hidden in a flower pot in the study. Clue phase. Torn piece of paper with partly visible inscription. For betrayal. Claim. Revenge. Three unnatural scratches on the study's window frame. All suspects possess an alibi for the duration of the blackout. Five indications that the Serpent's Eye may still be in the manor despite initial beliefs of theft. Guess who the murderer is from the suspects listed? You have 60 seconds to submit your guesses.
Dude, that was hype. More, I say.
Let's see who really did it. Despite all suspects having seemingly solid alibis, Detective Howard, the investigator in charge, questions the authenticity of Louisa's alibi. She claimed to be in the restroom alone during the blackout. Howard finds a hidden passage connecting the study to the restroom. Explaining the scratches on the window frame, an exit hastily used the torn note, a page from Louisa's diary filled with entries indicating resentment towards Professor Porter for not crediting her work and keeping her in his shadow. The betrayal and revenge in the text relates directly to her feelings of injustice. Howard also deduces that Louisa, knowing about the Serpent's Eye curse, used it to stage a presumed theft, keeping suspicion away from her, while she planned to secretly sell it later. A subtle smirk caught during her interrogation, and a missing restroom key in her possession.
Little tricky there, ChatGPT. That's a little tricky. I specifically told it to make a solvable mystery. Here, let's see. Generate a difficult but solvable murder mystery with subtle clues. Whatever. It's fun. It works. It's good.